Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is discussion about flight simulation. Very interesting. I think it's very interesting topic to talk about. Now, why are we doing flight simulation? Number one is to determine the flying quality specification described in previous section. Okay. We need some elaborate test facilities to do this, both the ground-based and in-flight simulators. So they are the ground-based simulators and the in-flight simulators. These simulators are used to evaluate pilot opinion on aircraft response characteristics, stick force requirement, human factor. Basically, the first type of flight simulator is for the design purpose, the purpose of determining ataupun simulating, determining the flying quality, the pilot feedback, even before the pilot fly the actual prototype. Okay, so it gives you feel and so on. Number two, flight simulator is used to train pilot. For the second kind of flight simulator, is basically the flight test of actual prototype or aircraft has been conducted. Already established the behavior, and then lepas tu it is model inside the flight simulator to give training to pilots. Okay, dua jenis lah. Okay. So we look at various type of flight simulator that is available. For general aviation, dia tak perlu too sophisticated sangat, but you still have all those panel that is important. Okay, ini pun tak murah, mahal juga. And you have also combat aircraft flight simulator, which require all-round view and cockpit similar to the actual cockpit of the plane. And the most sophisticated one is for airliner or air transport flight simulator. Not only it mimics the actual flight, the actual aircraft, okay, in terms of field of view and also dia punya equipment, tetapi the feel sekali ada sikit motion. Okay, this is possible lah for transport aircraft sebab dia tak menua terlampau banyak ataupun terlampau dia tak buat aerobatic. Tapi for combat aircraft ni tak boleh lah buat macam tu. Okay, so the static je lah, pilot dia tak ada feel, but dia boleh rasa lah melalui view dia tu. But we have also some hobby grade flight simulator kan, that we have in our lab. Okay, yang ni for game lah, computer game, and also it can be used for training. Okay, for unmanned aircraft ke apa, because unmanned aircraft pilot ni dia takkan rasa, dia takkan ada feel dekat on board atas tu, dia cuma nak fly the plane dia. Okay, some of the software yang kita boleh pakai untuk ni, dulu originally we have some Microsoft Flight Simulator and other computer game yang developed daripada program, basic program. But we have also something that we call Explain, yang mana berbeza dengan yang lain, yang simulator yang lain kebanyakannya kita dah tahu dia punya flight behavior, flight quality, flight response dia macam mana, dan kita programkan dalam flight simulator. Itu software yang lain. But apa Explain buat is actually sebenarnya we put the geometry of the plane, exact geometry of the plane. Dia punya wing dia macam mana bentuk dia, macam mana size dia, berapa size dia, we put all the parameter yang penting, macam mana engine dia, berapa power, macam mana respond engine dia and so on. We put in all the weight, the CG dekat mana and so on, and then we fly. Okay, and then we try to fly. In that way actually sebenarnya Explain kita boleh gunakan dia untuk design the plane. Okay, so right from the start you can design the plane, because apa yang Explain buat is actually dia calculate aerodynamics atas wing atau semua bahagian dekat badan kapal terbang tu in real time. Okay, in real time. Okay, let me give you an example. I dah buka to Explain here. Okay, this is a cockpit. Okay, cockpit yang nampak macam F-22 yang bagus. Okay, so let's fly. So you can see I move this is not the you can see that ini bukan kacang itu lah. So kita boleh study dia punya response dia bagi dia input, and if you notice dekat sini ada data ni. Okay, data ni kita klik dari tidak. So kita boleh tengok dia punya behavior ni. So kalau kita tengok nampak di short period dia, short period ini sama gangguan pada dia ada sikit keluar ni. Fugat mungkin tak ada, mungkin tak ada because so ini satu example of how you use flight simulator to predict the behavior. So this is a kind of thing yang kalau you tengok it's quite easy to fly. Actually, I boleh lepaskan tangan I. It's not my design. It's just a design that I modified from Effendy. Okay. Kalau kita tengok dari tepi nampak macam Effendy, but it is not correct. Ada ambil tak sikit bagian modify. Tengok what happened. Okay. This is the part yang Effendy tak bagi. Kita nampak design dia antara Sukhoi dengan Effendy. Macam mana dia buat. This is macam mana dia terbang. So dapat interesting kan. So ini selalu yang saya sarankan pada kamu kalau ada masa. Okay. Try buat simulation you can see. But untuk buat benda ni tak senang. Because selain daripada explain untuk plan buat benda ni, you have to design it using the plane maker. Okay. Ini plane maker yang saya buat ni kapal terbang ni. Okay, multi rotor. Okay. Let's open kapal terbang aircraft. Transport original kata ada satu terbang lagi. Ini bukan terbang. Okay. But contohnya FA22 Raptor apa yang ada ni. For example, so you just open the ACF file and okay, now viewpoint, okay, you tengok engine specification, you have to put the description of the engine, how it behaves, location of the engine, the transmission if you have, how the specific fuel consumption and the sound, propeller plan and so on. That's only engine. Okay, and you have a system here. Okay, detail lah you kena letak. Wings for example, okay, you ada wing 1, okay, wing 2, wing 3, wing 4, and it shows you kat mana location of wing, the horizontal stabilizer, the vertical stabilizer, so you boleh determine dia punya macam mana dia punya specification. In fact, for each one of these wing, okay, dia ada, for example, wing 1 ni, okay, dia ada dia punya airfoil dia, okay. So you need to determine that customize the airfoil. Okay, now to do this, you have to determine what is the airfoil. Okay, you look at the advanced expert, the airfoil. Okay, so for wing 1, airfoil apa nak pakai? In this case, saya pakai flat plate because the wing is fighter aircraft kan, macam flat plate. Okay, wing 3 nakar berapa, wing 4 nakar berapa, and so on and so forth. Okay, so airfoil apa dia nak pakai, and then macam mana ada body dia, how design the body. So if it's accurate sebiji macam the real one, you get the accurate response and behavior. Okay, so and if you have airfoil yang that is not available in the plane maker, you can create an airfoil in the airfoil maker. Okay. Now, this is something bonus lah for you to try. Kalau kita tak ada MCO, definitely I will teach this in class and I will give you one assignment for it. But I'm looking at an option now whether to give you assignment based on this. Maybe yes, since you be doing assignment in aerodynamics and also propulsion system. You might as well, since you don't have any software, MATLAB software to do MATLAB computation. This one is beta version. I can give you for free lah kalau you nak. Okay, you can try it out. But you can only fly for maximum 10 minutes and it will not provide you the means to save the data. Tak boleh lah. So we can just only give you some feedback. But if you want this, just give me a call kalau you nak. Kalau tak nak, tak apa. Okay, you can just download other flight simulator to give you some kind of feeling of various type of aircraft, macam mana dia behave. Okay, so in this picture is actually this is onboard flight simulator. This is airplane based on P3 Orion or something like that lah, kau terbang macam tu. Tapi it is used to simulate other aircraft, for example, the transport aircraft macam ni. So it will give you behavior sebiji macam transport aircraft yang ni, tapi you do dalam platform kau terbang yang lain. Okay, another example is this is a trainer aircraft. This is not just a trainer, it's a trainer simulator untuk pesawat lain. It will give you maneuverability, maneuvering agility ataupun flying quality that is similar to Sukhoi 35 or MiG-35 or Eurofighter Typhoon. Okay, so this is a Russian aircraft, yeah, okay, I think, yeah, 346, I think. Or its Italian equivalent per MBB 346. So equivalent per Italian airplane. So Italian, they require this airplane to simulate Eurofighter Typhoon. That's the reason why you have Eurofighter Typhoon here. Cuma limitation dia tak boleh nak pergi Mark 2 macam Eurofighter Typhoon or Sukhoi or MiG-35. Tapi it will give you handling yang serupa. Okay, so this is another what we call simulator lah, onboard simulator. Okay, di dalam bentuk pesawat latihan. Okay, pesawat latihan. To summarize your chapter, okay, this chapter already we have examined the stick fixed longitudinal motion of an airplane using linearized equation of motion developed in chapter 3. And then the longitudinal dynamic motion was shown to consist of two distinct and separate modes: long period oscillation or Foucault, which is slightly damped, and a very short period, okay, but heavily damped oscillation, okay, short period oscillation. And then we can also have approximation for the long and short period modes. And it's shown actually that short period is very accurate approximation equation dia, but long period tak berapa sangat. Ada long period yang accurate, okay, tapi I leave that to postgraduate study lah, because it requires derivation in detail. And then all these assumptions were verified by examination of the exact solution. So exact solution is coming from computation using MATLAB atau any other mathematical equation or even flight simulator. So the approximate formula permitted us to examine the relationship of the stability derivative on the longitudinal motion. For example, the impact of altitude or the impact of airspeed. Okay, or if you can have the impact of tail size, okay, or the impact of tail movement arm, okay, to the short period of Foucault of the aircraft. Okay, you can also study the impact of the weight of the aircraft. Okay, if you change the weight. So banyak parameter yang kita boleh ubah kita study longitudinal dynamics. Okay, so in the next chapter nanti kita akan tengok the lateral directional pula. Okay, daripada motion sampailah dia punya flying quality. Okay, so if you have any question kita buat again session yang lain. Saya cadangkan boleh jadi after hari raya ni nanti mungkin kita akan buat Google Meet session lah. Okay, because ada pula yang minta kan, sebelum ni tak cukup data, so ada pula yang minta, mungkin kita boleh buat sikit lah Google session. In the meantime, jangan lupa you punya test selepas raya dalam 28 hari bulan agaknya. Okay, buat raya yang keberapa tu, hari ke buat nearly a week after raya ataupun nearly raya week. Okay, test tak susah, jangan risau. Okay, Alright, for until then, see you next week.